everybody.
Hey.
Welcome to a new video.
We're teachers.
It is October the 1st and today's video is going to be autumn, Halloween, decorate with me, us.
And we're gonna and my favourite Spider-Man.
Yeah, your favourite Spider-Man. And Amelia, what have you decided to dress up for Halloween?
A skeleton with mask on.
A skeleton. So we've ordered Amelia's a skeleton outfit, which is on its way.
And it has a mask.
And it has a mask. It had to have a mask, which was actually a little bit more tricky to find. But I did find one on the H&M website, so I'll link it below if you're interested in a skeleton outfit.
And bye
everybody. But I'm going to get straight into the video and start decorating for Halloween autumn. So here is the fireplace that I'm going to mainly decorate. So this is the fireplace in our front room. So first I'm going to start with taking away the bits that I no longer want on the fireplace. And I bought this last year and it's kind of like black sort of cobweb style kind of netting. I think it looks really effective and it really makes the fireplace look quite spooky. You do just have to sort of like pull it into place. But I think it looks really good. Let me know what you think. I got it in B&M last year. This is a pumpkin also that I already had. I got this in Primark last year, but I do think they're still doing it again this year. It's a ceramic white pumpkin. And then this little white one as well lights up. Again, I got this last year. So these are all the bits that I've just got out of my loft. That was from B&M. And this little orange pumpkin candle was from Primark as well. I'm going to leave my sort of pillar candlestick holders, as I do feel like they quite tie into the sort of Halloween theme and they look quite spooky, so I'm going to leave them as well. But this is just my collection of pumpkins. New this year I bought these paper bats and they come with little bits of sticky adhesive, and I was going to put them, as you see here, up and around my mirror, and I'm going to do this in a few mirrors in the house downstairs. I think they look so great. I really like them. They've got little fold bits on them just to make them a little bit more sort of 3D. But I really love these. I think they look really great and just again really add to the fireplace decor. Amelia is so into skeletons this year. As I just said, she wants to dress up as a skeleton for Halloween, and that was a little Halloween decor skeleton decoration that she liked that we're going to put up. Moving on now to my hallway, I just want to add a little few touches to my console table as we come in. Theo is very close behind me as always, crawling, and I found this glass pumpkin which we're going to put in the hallway and put some treats in there, and then also a really soft pumpkin. And I'm just switching out the candle where I had quite a spring summery scent candle to one that fits a bit more autumnal, and this was also from Primark, which is a diffuser, and it just gives me autumnal vibes, so that is also coming out in the hallway.
Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show.
Here are the sweet treats we've got at the moment. So just a few chocolate coins and eyeballs, which were great for Halloween. So I'm going to put those into the glass jar. Obviously it is quite a pretty big glass jar, so I'm going to need a few more to fill that up. And again, just popping some more of the bats up on the mirror as you come in as well.
Losing almost all my energy.
So lastly, this was also from B&M, and it is a skull garland. Again, I really love it, and we're going to put it on the stairs, so within our hallway, and just to add a bit of decor for Halloween as you walk in. And then next on my list to do today is have a tidy of the kitchen and dining room, and the amount of washing up there is to do. I think we've probably used every bowl and plate in the house at this point. So that is the first thing I'm going to do.
Now I guess I'll never know.
Washing up done, it is time to spray down the sides, and this is my favourite one. Spray wipe done, and yeah, it just really does get the job done for me really quickly and easily. Yeah, I'd say the sides definitely needed a good clean. So moving on now, generally just stuff needed to be put back where it belongs. So these items are all clean and just need to be put away and tidied. And then also I'm going to wipe down these sides too.
And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never showed. They're all the things I want to know.
So we've got a roast chicken for dinner. So I did just get that out of the fridge not too long ago, just to get that, bring that to room temperature. So I've left that on the side there, and again just pop in everything back where it needs to be, and then also giving the sides a clean.
You don't want to tell me how, I guess I'll never know.
So the only thing is our hob gets so dirty, and I do find gas cookers a little bit more trickier to clean. Obviously you've got to go round the hobs. As you can see, this looks rather grubby, so this is in desperate need of a clean.
Never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
So washing up, I'm going to be leaving to just dry on the side, but as you can see, this is looking much tidier now. Onto the table, I mean, I barely know how we even sat around that table. There is so much stuff around it. All the sauces and condiments are still out from lunch, so I'm going to be tidying that up too. Amelia done a little bit of arts and crafts, so there's some sort of paper that we use for the tables that can be thrown away, and then just some of her games and toys too.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
Going to be giving the table a really good clean. As it is a white table, it shows up so much dirt, so much grime. So yeah, it just really needs a clean.
But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Amelia likes to do colouring in at the table. She often goes off the page and onto the table, and the pens that we've got just do not come off of this table, so I have to use Sif, and that does work really well. It's just a bit stronger, but it does get the pen mark off the table. Looking so much nicer now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a nice big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't, because I'd love to have you, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.